Hello and welcome to my new channel. My name is Asif, and here you can see the engine management light is on my bike. So we're going to read it and try and diagnose what the problem could be. Let's move over here. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Streewize wireless OBDII fault code reader. I've previously used a wired Bosch one, and I thought this would be good when traveling. When you unbox it, there you go, there's the wireless reader. In the box you also get an instruction manual and a CD which contains a program for your PC or Mac. The free one is called Scan Tool, and then there are 4 others, but they then require a license. The instructions also outline 4 free apps which you can use with your smartphone or tablet, and they are Car Scanner, which I'll be using today, Auto Doctor, 4-Stroke, and In-Car Dock. There is also Talk, which requires a paid subscription, and it says here that each of these apps has its own set of features, and we advise that you take some time to research these apps before deciding which one you want to go with. Okay, so I'll just put this aside. I also needed to purchase a 6-pin to OBDII Honda adapter. Okay, so a 6-pin to OBDII adapter. This cost about £5 or £6. Right, let's go ahead and get this connected. So we need to remove the pillion seat, which I've already done. Then we remove the main saddle. Just pop that there. Okay, so this is the connector that you need. There's a clip here. Press down at the bottom and lift off the cap. Let's pop that in there for safekeeping. Right. So there's only one way this can fit because of the grooves. There we go. And then let's plug in the wireless adapter. Right, let me come round. Okay, you'll then need your mobile phone. Okay, so we're going to turn the ignition on. And then in your wireless settings, go to Wi-Fi. And then there we can see it's now transmitting as Wi-Fi _ OBDII. Okay, so we're going to connect to that. Okay, and we're connected. There we go. Right, so in my apps, I will now go to the Car Scanner app, which is free on Google Play. Okay, and we will click on Connect. Okay, and it's successfully connected. Then we click on Diagnostic Trouble Codes. Okay, it will select automatically, but you can adjust it. So let's now click on Read. And there we go. I knew it was a P0300 random multiple cylinder misfire detective, random misfire. Okay, right, so the beauty of this is that I can now take a screenshot, and then I can email that, well, WhatsApp it to a friend or to my mechanic. Let's see, yeah, whoops. and then you can click, oh right, and then if you connect to your Wi-Fi, you can click on the reading, because and it will search the internet and give you information about it. So that we will do later. Let me just go back to the main dashboard. Okay, so you can also clear the trouble code as well. Okay, so let me just see. So you go back to diagnostic trouble codes. Sorry, I should have shown this earlier. Okay, and then if you press on clear, it will remove the engine management light. So I've done that previously and it's come back, and so that's why I took this occasion to do a review. Let me just also show you some of the other data that's available, because we've got live data and sensors. So let me just quickly show you that. There we go. So you can actually get live data. So I really do recommend the Streewize wireless OBDII fault code reader. As I said, it's great to put in your top box along with the adapter cable, and then when you're traveling, if you have issues, you can easily diagnose them. Great. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.